Hey, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure Backup use cases. Let's get started. Let's talk through the use cases. The first one is on-prem servers. Typically, the on-prem servers on the data centers are backed up in backup tapes. So when you would like to restore a particular file, for example, like you have an IIS, if the website is corrupt or you want to restore the entire server, the recovery time is going to be much longer. So they need to back up from the tape, might be few hours by the time you recover it. So you don't want to wait that long. So the safest and option would be to have Azure Backup enabled on that server. So one way is to, like, if you want to just do like the entire server backups, you could do that by installing a Mars agent on that server. Even it's on-prem, yes, you can do it. Like you can install the agent and then it can back up the entire server. So when the entire server is backed up, there is an option that you could just cherry pick the files and then you can restore to a recovery point. Or you could do just a file. So I don't want to back up the entire server. I just want to back up only the website folder or a particular folder which is more important. Then you can back that up. And then at any point of time, within a few seconds, you can just open to a particular recovery point and then restore those files. This is like a very good use case scenario that you could really use this for. The other way scenario, the second option is like if you're having any SQL databases, either it's running on the Azure VM or if it is running on-prem, you could still install the agent and then you could do an entire backup of the SQL databases. So that is one way you could have the recovery point much easier. So you're not managing it. And also the other major advantage of doing this way is like you have an on-prem, if something goes wrong or there is a disaster, you at least have the backups available on the cloud so that you could use that for a restoration. So these are the couple of use cases in real life scenarios that I've seen that are much more useful. So there are a lot more options that we could explore. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another topic. Thanks again.